Recently, a lot of people have been wondering how to mod Pizza Tower, and the answer is surprisingly simple. All it will take is time, and it won't require any coding. In this video, I'll be showing you step by step on how to mod Pizza Tower. First, you're going to want to head to the Undertale mod tool page, head to the releases section right here, click on it, and here you should be able to see all the different versions. Go to the latest one. For me it's this one, but it might be different for you. Click on it. Now if you scroll all the way down, you're going to want to install the single file zip. So click on it. Once you install in extract file, open it up. Now you should be prompted to this. Now you're going to need to open the data file. To open it, go to run. Open it up. Once you're over here, paste this link in. Once you paste that in, you should be able to find the data file right here. Now double click it to open. Alright, once you open the data file, you should have access to the whole game. Now, as you can see in here, you have every single texture in the game. Under the embedded textures tab, these are all the sprites used for all the rooms, whatever. As you can see, it's all the enemies, items, rooms, backgrounds. Basically just everything is stored in this tab. So, let's look for something to change. Let's go. For this example, we're going to be changing the title screen room. So to change a sprite, what you're going to want to do is you want to click on it, and now you can click export. Now, using your art software of choice, you can import it, and now you can change it to whatever you'd like. For this example, I'll change it to a little sky. So let me do that real quick. Alright, now that's completed, we have a nice little sky right here. So now let's re-import our image. So let's click on the import button, go back to our texture, and as you can see, it changed into the sprite sheet. So now it's updated. So yeah, that looks pretty good. You may also be wondering why all his sprites are yellow. This is because when a skin is equipped, it will, basically this will work as a green screen and it'll change it to that skin. So whenever making Pepino sprites, you have to make sure you use this exact color, or else it won't work for skins. So now that we're done with this, we can save the game. So we're going to go over here to the save tab. We're going to click on that. Now locate your data file. Now click save and click replace. Let's load the game. Let's see if our change was implemented. And yes, as you can see, we have a new sky as the background. It's pretty cool. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty simple to change a sprite, but it will just take a lot of time because there's a lot of animations that have hundreds of frames. So let's say you want to change multiple things of one sprite sheet instead of having to export every single one individually. Well, what we can do is we can just take the whole sheet, click the export button, name it intro, and boom, now let's open it up. Alrighty, now that it's exported and opened, we can change whatever we want. Alright, as you can see, I kind of messed around a little bit too much. Just added Pizza Tower as the name of this. Let's save this file. Alright, now let's go back. Let's import the image we just made. And now once it's imported, this is what it'll look like. And now let's open the game and see how it works. Let's make sure we save our changes first. Yep, and as you can see, it appeared. Yep, looks like it's working right. Let's move on to rooms. You should see the rooms tab right about here. Click on it, and now you have access to all the rooms in the game. So what this allows you to do is basically edit anything in a room. You can add on to a room, you can change, delete things from a room. Basically do whatever you can, or whatever you want. So for this example, let's go to the first room in the game. And once you want to click on or copy something, click on it, and then click Control C and Control V. As you can see up here, it made a new copy of it. Now we can drag it anywhere. So for now, let's just place a bunch of these. So as you can see, you can basically do whatever you want. You can copy, paste them wherever you want. You can grab other enemies that are in different areas. But also note that some of these enemies only spawn second lap, so they might not all be accurate. We can also take some of these items like this, make a bunch of copies of these. This can get us to S rank in like a second if we just make enough copies. Okay, let me put a few more enemies just to make it a little funner. So yeah, now we have a ton of enemies right here. What we can also do is place some blocks. So we can take this, just stack blocks wherever we want, make a wall maybe. Put blocks everywhere. Another interesting thing you can do is you can go to different levels of the game. So let's go to, yeah, let's go to one of the frozen levels. Or actually, for this example, I have a better idea. Let's find war. Where's war? Yeah, right here. Alright, let's go in here. Let's grab the gun box so we can Control C that to copy it. Let's go back to the first level. And now let's paste it in. Oh yeah, first we need to select a layer. So let's go to instances. Right is where all the, yeah, you know what I mean. All the items and stuff. Let's paste this in here. Let's put it right here on the gun box. Or on the stack of blocks. So yeah guys, that should work. Let's maybe add a couple more things to the second level. Or second room, sorry. Should add a ton of enemies. And yeah, now let's save our progress and open up Pizza Tower. Click on save. Make sure you replace it. Okay, let's real quick head to the second level. Or I guess the first level. And let's check what we changed. So yeah guys, as you can see, yep, this is not looking good. Let's get the gun. Let's just shoot everything. Yep, and we're already B-rank. So you can honestly do whatever you want. It's pretty fun, just messing around. As you can see, we got a 38 combo. So yeah guys, I'm gonna end it right here. I'll continue the series. I'll make more parts on how to change the moving speed, jump speed, all that kind of stuff, add more enemies. We also learned how to use audio, change the music, and do some more other stuff. Please comment down below what you want to see next time, and I'll probably make a video cut. Right here are all the intro scenes, the animations for the intro. Let's go a little further. We should be close.